Welcome to another Vapor Honing Technologies video. Today I want to discuss with you the factors that affect the price on vapor blasting equipment. When you're ready to purchase that vapor blasting equipment, you will want to consider the power in your shop, if you have an air compressor or if you need to purchase an air compressor, the size of the cabinet you need, also the accessories that are important to you. You'll want to determine, do you need more lighting? Do you need a windshield wiper? What about open or closed loop for rinsing? All of these factors can directly affect the price of your cabinet. Keep in mind that we can custom each cabinet to your particular needs, whether that's voltage in your shop, whether that is for a light duty or industrial use. Also, if you need the manual or automation options, we have those available for you. We're happy to help any way we can. If you have any questions or need some assistance with this purchase, please call the sales office at 828-202-5563. Also, please do not forget to like us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you so much.